Hi guys, I am Rihas and I am indeed real, and in today's video you'll be learning how to draw anime. Like real anime, the classics, the shinobus, the makis, the why do I only name girls? So as I was saying, yeah, you'll be learning how to draw anime. Now, let me make something very clear. Anime art is not the same as realism. So today I'll be showing you a method that will resemble anime more than realism. Although we will be using the Loomis method, we'll be just like simplifying it and just adjusting it to say the least. So let's just start off by me drawing some anime characters just so you all know what should we draw. Or let's just start off with Garo and other anime characters I can think of randomly. And boom. And through the magic of bad cutting and editing, we have now gotten Gojo, Shinobu, Garo, and something. I don't remember her name, man. I don't remember. Nobara, I think. Yeah, Nobara. Alright, so as I was saying, let me tell you something really cool about these things. Now, these skulls in anime, they are actually bigger than normal skulls. What do I mean by that? Let me just demonstrate it over here on this page real quick. If you are drawing any anime character, I would highly recommend you start off like this and just make the circle big, like real big. And then just cut off the two sides. Of course, we now that much is easy. Let's just go to the hard stuff, the real stuff. Now, let me demonstrate something real quick. As you can see, the skull over here is pretty big as compared to the normal size skull. So that checks out what I told you. Now, let's just move on to the eyes. Eyes in anime, they will be located right beside this middle line, and then this area that will be cutting it all of that in half, and then this area like three equal parts. Okay, remember that. Eyes, nose, and mouth, and then chin. Three equal parts. No weird spacing. That's gonna help you a lot. All right. Now, where does the chin start? Now we have made the structure. All right. Let me just say that we have made the structure. Let's just assume that you are following along. Now that we have made the structure, let me tell you from where to where will the chin go. The chin will start from this side all the way to over here. Let me just fill that up real quick. And as you can see, we have made chin. All right, awesome. Let's just continue on. Eyes in anime, that's a whole another subject for its own kind, but let's just simplify them for now and just move on to the ears instead of eye. Ears will start from this side all the way to the where our like this thing started. This is a very simplified version. I'm just telling you this right now. Here is another subject as well, but let's just simplify that. Here will be of two types in anime. Let me just demonstrate it real quick. Number one will be the kind that just floats on top like this, and number two will be the kind that will just like look like this and just back off, not just messing up. Let me just demonstrate it over here. As you can see over here in Garuma boy, we can see how this hairstyle is applied. See how it moves back, and then in Gojo this hairstyle is applied. Just remember that, okay? You don't really have to draw every individual strand of hair, just a genuine shape would be good enough. Now let's just move on to the eyes. You remember these two lines, these two weird lines? Now we are gonna use them. Let's just draw them two lines, same over here. Divide them like this. Let me just like really quickly. Alright, we have fixed the hairline. Now let me just show you how eyes in anime work. There are three major types of eye. Now let's just assume that we are drawing boys. Girls, they will be of another topic as well, but let's just assume we are drawing boys for now. If you want, I can make another tutorial just on female anatomy. But that would be only if this video gets good response, gets a good response. Now, see these two are the only shapes you'll be needing as long as you are drawing anime. As because you don't really need like high definition stuff like these two corners matching and stuff. Realism is not realism; it's anime for a reason. Now you can either put it like this, or you can, let's just assume these two are the same timelines. Okay, you can also put it like this. That would work pretty darn well as well. The middle area of the eye, this will always have this thing. Now I know this might look like some psychopath, but I promise it will look good. Now that we have made this shape, we have to always add this highlight thing. This highlight thing will depend on the light source. If the light source is over here, let's just assume that of course it will be hitting this area, and this area will be a little bit lighter as compared to the downside of the area, cause well light is hitting there and not there. And then this side will be shaded as well, cause this area is casting shadow. This area is genuinely pretty black, and this side will be of course darker because this side is getting light and this side is not getting that much light. And this side will be dark as well. Now let's just shade in the rest of it, and boom, we have indeed made an anime eye. Now let's just apply this knowledge over here and ka-chow. Wait, what? Again, through the magic of bad editing, we have made the eyes. Noses in anime are pretty simplified. You don't need anything fancy. Just this middle line over here. Let's just assume the eyes are over here. This is the middle line. Just one line, and then this line should do the trick. Let's just apply that simple nose like this, and then this. This is pretty much. God damn it! Sorry for the bad cut over there. Yeah, sorry. I'm trying to like nullify the sound because it's raining outside right now. Anyhow, lips, uh, they should be on a straight line, and then like this, the downside and the upside a little bit. Not too much definition in the lips. Just some simple techniques would do the thing. Now the top side of the hair, uh, this is depends on your character. But let's just assume that you are trying to draw a male with some Gojo like hairstyle. Yeah, that would be pretty good to demonstrate. This side will have this kind of hair, and then from over here, this just here will just start going wild. And let's just assume that you are drawing a really big hair character, and then let's just define the shape a bit more. Now that we have done all that, the next pretty darn simple. One cool tip, one another cool tip. Uh, if you put this diagonal line over here, that will work as the best shoulder possible, because you can just use that line to put. See how that creates a dynamic pose. Awesome, right? Yeah, you can thank me later for the tip. All right, that was a lot to cover. Let's just see how that applies over here. See how the teeth, the eyes, the nose, and the teeth, and the nose, which is non-existent, they are all three equal parts. See how that works. Uh, See how I had mentioned the two hairstyles which are like currently present over here. Finally, see how the hairstyle that I mentioned from here, then just from here, it just starts going wild. How that all works. Alright, bye man. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna make a tutorial on female anatomy if this video gets a good response. So like, share, and subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, just so you know, Garo is coming for you. You don't want Garo on you, right? Saitama does not exist in this verse, okay? Just remember that much.